Greg Gerbus, Rokbak Regional Sales Manager. Today we're going to preview this RA40 that Headwater Equipment has on display. We're going to do a quick walk around. I'll highlight some important features of the truck, and then we'll jump up in the cab. I'll show you how to turn it on and how to roll it down the street. Small toggle switch here. Push it to the up position. The hood will raise, and when you hear it ratchet, that's as far as it goes, and that's when you stop raising the hood. So first off, on the RA40, after you open the hood, you want to come over here, and on the Scania engine, this is our dipstick, the red handle. So naturally, you're just going to wipe it off and make sure you have oil between the two marks on the dipstick. So we check the engine oil, and this is our Scania DS13 engine. And as you see here from the right-hand side of the machine, you can take a look at the two-stage air cleaner. You can look at the engine oil reservoir there at the top, make sure you have the fluid in it. Here is your diesel tank. It is a lockable cap, so the keys up front will unlock the cap. Back here is the important, this is your DEF tank, so make sure you have DEF fluid in every day. Standard, it's the blue cap. You just simply take off the cap and you'll see that you have your neck down receptacle for your adding DEF fluid. So once you've checked this, or you put the fuel in it, you put the DEF fluid in it, we can go back around the other side and we can close the hood. So I'll go around the other side and close the hood, and then we'll carry on around the right-hand side of the truck. So Headwater Equipment likes to specify all their units to come to Western Canada with the heated mirror package. I'm a big believer of heated mirrors, so when the weather is not conducive and you're getting the frost and ice and things on the mirrors, from the operator seat, you can turn on the heated mirrors and you'll have that good visibility on the safety side of the machine. All the Rokbak articulated trucks that come to North America have the Lincoln Auto Lube system as standard. Great feature. So all the driver has to do is make sure he's got grease in that, and this will take care of your machine every day. So this is very vitally important that you have it full of grease, and that it'll take care of greasing all the points necessary on a daily basis. We are on the right-hand side of the machine. A few things I want to show you is, naturally, this is the tractor of the articulated truck. Right here in the middle is our articulation hitch. That's how we keep the tractor and the wagon connected. Also, this is our ID tag, the blue tag there in the center. It'll show you the identification serial number for the unit. Also, what Headwater has for their machines here in the Western Canada is they put on heated body kits. So this piping right through here catches the exhaust, brings it down through this apparatus, and then the circular outlet there on the body is where the exhaust goes into the body to prevent material from freezing in the back of the body. Great feature to have here in Western Canada. Lots of users use the heated body system. Another great feature that Headwater uses on all their RA30s and 40s is our scissors tailgate. Great design. What the scissors tailgate does is it keeps material in the back of the bed, so if you're hauling gravel or free-flowing material, it keeps that material from coming out of the back. Also, what it does is it gives you the advantage of almost 2 cubic yards of additional capacity in lighter weight materials. So all the Rokbak RA40s come standard with what we consider a spill guard, and you'll see in the back of this dump truck here, the RA40, you'll see the spill guard in the correct up position. Why do we have a spill guard? The reason we have a spill guard is it helps maximize the load when the person is loading this truck with a hydraulic excavator. To the rear of the RA40, we're using what we call ZF axles. ZF is the manufacturer, and they are limited slip axles. Thanks for your time and consideration today following me on the RA40 walk around.